geography of this village. It's in the interior of Navosa, on the other side of the Singatoka River. I can say that people that were brought up in this village are facing a lot of difficulties in the past in terms of transportation. Now that we have commissioned the boat and the engine today to a tune of 19,000, and that will ease the transportation for not only for the people of this village here in Nawairabe, also for Motokana, the village further up. And for the water purification project, it's good that it's commissioned today. As you know that this was one of the villages that was known for this spread of leptospirosis brought about by drinking dirty water. But that's a thing of the past. With the commissioning of the new project today, I hope that people will get better. They will drink clean water. They'll be very healthy. The children will be very healthy. I want to thank the previous government too for the project that they undertook in this village. We are now taking over, commissioning this project. We are going to carry on with this kind of projects, mostly in rural areas. I heard that if they go by van from here to Singatoka, cost them $400. So that is why there is a long-term plan by government to have a satellite town in Navatumali, so that we can bring all the services there, supermarkets, hardwares and everything. So instead of going right down to Singatoka or Nandi, there's a plan in the pipeline to have a satellite town in Navatumali, so that we can bring a lot of things that are very far from here. So it will be easy for them just to go and get their shopping done in Navatumali instead of going right down to Singatoka or Nandi. I'd just like to thank the community for accepting us today. Very strong community. As you know, the way the geographics of this area, they are very far from town. But for them to survive, and you see all these good houses around the village, it shows that they are very resilient. So I hope that with assistance given by government, that will motivate them to try and strive more to improve their living standard in the village.